Are you brothers or?
No, we're just buddies.
Oh, it's buddies. Okay. All right. So I understand you're the grandson of Don Laughlin. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
I read a little article that. Is there any added pressure being having the town's last name or anything like that?
I'd say there's a little more pressure at this race just because I have so many people here to watch me. But at the same time, it's really cool that everybody can come out and support. So we're just hoping to, finish. Braking obviously would suck, and do well. I mean, that's the goal.
So I don't have to. No guesswork involved. All right. Okay. Let me make sure I'm square here. All right, Adam. Tell me about first of all your standings in Sonora right now.
Right now, today I'm racing for my father, Terry Householder, under his number. So I'm going to race the first day as my trophy truck / Class 1 open wheel. So we can get points. We're sitting second in points behind Conlon. So Conlon's a quick competitor. We wish him the best, but we hope he has some issues so we can get by him.
All right. Tell me about the course.
The course is fun. It's fast. It's fast. It's rough. There's a lot of slow sections, but it's gonna be a fast sprint day.
Who are you worried about besides?
Really not worried about anyone. Having a truck out here is a lot better in the rough stuff, so we'll catch the buggies. We're just gonna play it out and see how we finish in the end.
Cool. All right. So, first of all, tell me about this track.
Shoot. It's pretty, for the most part, it's pretty flat. It's a pretty fun track. It's got a few rough sections. It's been really good for this car. There's a lot of, tight technical spots, and definitely a buggy track more than a truck track. Absolutely. So we should be able to stay in front of the trucks, and going to be a good Class 1 battle out there.
A lot of drivers mentioned your name, so do you feel like you have a target on your back?
It kind of seems like that a little bit, and the main thing for me is I'm leading points, so I kind of just want to cruise, but I don't think they're going to let me. They're going to make me work for it, so I want to get that championship. I'm going to try to keep it on all fours this race, and hopefully we'll be able to win. It's TJ's in front of me, Leonard's beside me, and that's a real tough competition, and but we're going to go out there and give it hell, have fun.
All right. And this finishes up tomorrow, is that correct?
Yeah, 2-day event, best 2 combined dimes of the 2 days wins it.
How is that normal for all these truck races?
No, there's about 3 or 4 races a year that run this type of format, and these races are the most, where you push your car the hardest and you're wide open the whole race, and they're definitely the funnest.
So do you worry about the next day when you're in the first day?
The first day is you don't want to push too hard because you want to make sure you get to the second day, and then it's all out from there. So.
All right. What's that? Oh. Everybody has a target on their back. Everybody's worried about the other person, and how's that going?
Yeah, I think the top 5 for sure is going to be a pretty good battle. You got TJ, Conlon, me, and Householder and Boyle right there, and I think we're going to be battling pretty good all the way to the end, hopefully.
So I was asking, you can't go too wild though on the first day because that'll put you out the second day, right?
Yeah, definitely not. Gonna run about 80, 90. Hopefully, we'll see. Everything happens different when the helmet's on, but definitely just try to make it to the end in a good position for tomorrow, so to get the big picture.
All right. Key to coming out on top for you.
Just gonna run hard and run smart, and hopefully, car says gonna make it to the end.